Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this neutral brown-ish for fall. Before we start our videos today, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. And if you want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna start off with my primer, and today I'll be using the Olay Luminous Whip because now it's colder and it's more windy. So moisturizer is really important, and it smells amazing. I really love it. I'm not sure if this blur any of my pores, but it's still nice. It's still nice for the skin. If you hear any noise, that means I'm doing laundry. For foundation, I'm just gonna go with my favorite, which is Fenty Beauty. Before foundation, just gonna correct my mouth area real quick. I correct my face with Correct Click from Couple Effect. It's in peach. For concealer, I will be using the Maybelline Instant Age Revive in Caramel. This one is a little darker than Golden. I'm gonna give this guy one more shot and I will be using him for blending my concealer. Cool. I'm gonna try something different today. I'm gonna try to set my face with Wet n Wild contouring palette. I really like this shade of concealer. It's not too bright. It's still like, I don't know, it looks really natural. I'm gonna go in with setting spray from Wet n Wild Natural Finish. Alright, I'm back. I did my eyebrow off camera to save time. But if you know what I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Brow Pomade in soft brown. Moving on to the eye, I'm gonna prime my eyes first. And because today is gonna be neutral style, so nothing crazy, I'm just gonna prime my eyes with concealer from Maybelline Instant Age Revive in Golden. And then I'm gonna set that with the same powder from Wet n Wild. For today's palette, I will be using the Morphe Dare to Create again because they have a lot of matte and I like that. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is called Evolve. And then I'm gonna go into the shade called Bear. I'm just gonna blend that into brow bone. And next, I'm gonna go into a shade called Transitional. I'm just gonna place that all over my lid. Going back into Evolve and then between two shades. For lower lash line, I'm gonna go into the shade called Thunder. Next, I'm gonna use a tiny bit of eyeliner, and the one I'll be using today is from Sephora in color block eyeliner and tan lines. I'm just gonna do really, really small. Ah! Oh no! And then I'm gonna bring a little bit, just a little bit on the lower lash. I'm gonna put on some mascara and I will be right back. I got a little bit of mascara on my eye, but don't worry, if that happened to you, just wait until it dry and just use spoolie and pick it up. Easy peasy. I learned this from Tati, and I love her so much. She's like my favorite YouTuber. I also like Jeffree Star. I used to not liking fall lashes because I feel like it's so over the top and everything, but like I really love it now because it really pulls every look together, like every look. Alright, now we're gonna move on to bronzer, and of course I will be using my favorite from Milani Fake Bronzer. For highlighting, I will be using NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. It's in shade Gleam. Just gonna put that on my hand. And then I'm gonna tap it with this sponge. I set the cream highlighting with the magic powder that I got from Greece. It's really like browish color. For the blush, I will be using Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy in Poppy Passion. I don't think that they make this anymore because at least this shade, because I will check on the website and I don't see this shade anymore. Too bad. Ooh. Now it's time for Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. For the lips, I want to try something that I have never tried. This is Stila Lush Lips Water Plumping Primer. When I put it on, it does feel more hydrated, which I like. And then I'm gonna go with Mademoiselle from Fenty Beauty in Shorty. And this is the finished look. If you enjoyed my video, then please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, please. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. I love you guys so much and I hope you have a great day. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye bye.